Adi in my life ang isa ka wala tinapusan nakaabot sa Singapore kay nga aman gipa eskwela ni tatay na mayabas. For today's video mga ka-travelers, sasakay tayo ng Disney train. So let's go, follow me. So nice the Christmas decor. So many people now, guys. So we ride the Disney train going to Terminal 3. So you can see here the Disney train. So the Disney train is coming. Disney train is coming. See, Disney train. This is the Disney train. It's so nice, the Disney train, guys.
Oh shit, that would be so fun. Is it like it's open or I would jump in there really. Holy great. Nobody's all that shit real, bro. Look at the father. I swear you don't have
Disney train. Adventure Disney train. So now we reach here at Disney Cross, guys, the Magic Adventure. Wow.
Ja, du får lov til at gå lidt op og få penge. Så skal jeg få på den side.
Ganda niya, oh, mga ka-traveler. Snow White over there. Hi, Snow White. And Frozen is here. So done tour here, guys, at Disney Cross. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Comment below and hit the bell button. Also, you updated to all my latest live. I just finished my work. That's why I'm so haggard. This is Lourdes Traveler Vlog. Nabubulol na ako. So, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Comment below and hit the bell button. So, you updated to my latest video. Bye!